Hi, welcome to Indie Source Studio. Today's video is going to be about this beautiful floral dress. First, let me show you the details. Front will be a V-neck and back is a close neck, and I've kept a short sleeve with an elastic attached. The first tier will have a visible gathering at the waist, and the second tier also has a visible gathering which is attached to the first tier. These are the measurements that I have taken for this dress. Other details include a pocket and a back tie. So let's start with the video. Here I'm marking the bodice shape and I'll be cutting it as well. This is the bodice pattern of the back. First I'll draw the back, and for the front I will trace using the tracing paper. Here I'm giving half inch seam allowance in the bottom. For the sides it's 1 inch. For shoulders and arm it's 1 centimeter, or you can take half inch, and for the neck it's quarter inch. I'm taking a normal sleeve pattern and I'll draw the shape. Since I'm planning for an elastic hem, I'm extending the arm portion of it, keeping the armhole part same as it is, not extending it. There is no particular measurement that I took here. Whatever fabric I had left, I just extended it. As I was not looking for a very balloon type sleeves, this will give a very minimum look. After cutting, I have the sleeves, the front bodice and the back bodice. For the neck, I thought of keeping a canvas, and I forgot to mention I'll be using the same fabric for the lining. Here I'm marking for the back tie knot. Again, I'm using whatever length I have to give the waist a shape. This tie knot will be useful. For this measurement, I have taken about 20 to 22 inches of the strip, and the width will be 2 inches. I have attached the canvas on the lining part of this fabric. As usual, it's the same method as we do for the kurtis. After completing the neck, I'll be giving few notches. Here I'm giving the top stitches on the lining part of the fabric, and I'll be turning it towards the inside. This is how it looks. It came out really neat and perfect. Same I've done for the back as well, and I'll be completing the darts as well. I'm joining the shoulders here, so it's an invisible shoulder. Since I've given lining, I'll be giving the top stitches so that the fabric doesn't move here and there when I stitch the sleeves or when I join the skirt part. This is the tie knot for the dress. I'll be ironing the quarter inches on both the sides. And on the bottom, quarter inch as well. Folding and ironing it. Now fold as I've shown in the video. I'll be stitching 1/8 inch here on the strip. So when I reverse it, I'll be getting a neat box type finish. I'm using a screwdriver to give it a pointy edges, and that's it. I'll be giving a top stitch by folding the fabric into half. I'll be giving stitches on both sides of this back tie. I've completed the shoulders and the darts. Now I'll be fixing the back tie. So I'll be taking the back side of the bodice. I'm measuring 1 inch, 1 inch on the sides and half inch from the bottom. That is the seam allowance. And I'll mark where the back tie should come. Here I'll be placing the back tie just above the half inch mark, and I'll give a 1/4 inch above extra so that when I stitch the bottom it won't get affected. I've pinned both the strips and I'm checking to see if this is okay. I find this to be good, so I'll start stitching. I'll fix both the strips. I have kept the back tie inside the 1 inch seam allowance, and that's it for part 1. In part 2, I'll be showing the sleeves and the gatherings attachments. So see you on the next video. Bye.